Several experiments and discoveries are still being made to know the existing facts of our Earth better, and while those are important facts that are hardly spoken of, don't hold any lesser value. Just as the belief that the more you know, the more you start to realize that you actually don't know. There are still many discoveries to be made regarding different subjects like astronomy and its various stars and planets, different species of animals, organisms, facts related to war, crime scenes, and the list goes on and on. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. For this list, we'll be looking at the most surprising secrets that pretty much no one has ever told you. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, not to miss out on any other videos. Okay guys, let's jump straight into the facts. Number 1. The Hulk was not supposed to be green. Now we all know that most of the features in the Hulk are pretty recognizable, but not as much as his green color. While he currently has a color to match his temper, he was supposed to have a more sober gray color. The main writer and artist of the comic book, Stan Lee, and Jack Kirby shared that it was originally planned to be gray. However, the editors and printing press had a hard time with this, and the output kept coming out as green. But no matter how it turned out, the Hulk is still one of the very important characters played in the Avengers, and his dominating and outstanding color and features are still very much loved by fans. Number 2. Stars don't really twinkle. As much as this makes your whole life feel like a lie, it's the truth. Stars are definitely one of the most magnificent and admirable things created by the one above. So basically, when we see stars twinkling, what is actually happening is an effect called astronomical scintillation, which makes it appear as if it's twinkling, but it's actually not, and this happens all because of the planet's atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere has a huge effect on this, and so it appears to twinkle. Number 3. The estimated weight of clouds is almost about 1,000,000 pounds. We could give a try at estimating objects or things that we see around us and get it right, but when it comes to clouds, that's probably not the case. While clouds look like they're on the lighter side in terms of weight, they're actually quite heavy. An average cloud itself could weigh about 1,000,000 pounds. This was discovered by the US Geological Survey. The weight of different clouds varies according to their volume and density, and their weightage is calculated accordingly. Number 4. Human teeth are as strong as shark teeth. One thing sharks are known for is their teeth and their structure of the course. The specialty of a shark's teeth is its triangular shape and the way it's designed, that it is created in such a shape so that with its strong teeth, it'll be able to catch prey relatively easier. Now for sure, we could have guessed that shark teeth are designed to be strong, but at the same time, what is surprising is that humans' teeth are designed equally as strong. The Journal of Structural Biology had discovered that the enamel of a human wisdom tooth is equally hard as the shark teeth coating. Both the teeth of humans and sharks are similar in nature, as both of them are built from mineral crystals and are bound together with the help of proteins. Number 5. Human bodies give off a light. Giving off a light that glows, and that too from that of a human body, may sound unnatural big time, but as much as it sounds unbelievable, it's a fact, my friends. Researchers stated in the year 2009 that the human body literally glimmers. During the time of cell respiration, the body produces many highly reactive cells that later on react with the lipids and proteins floating in the air. So as a result of this, a glow is emitted, but which can hardly be seen by the naked eye. The scientists have explained that a slight bit of this particular light can be seen and that the intensity of the light emitted by the body is 1,000 times lower than the sensitivity of our naked eyes. Number 6. The Cold War's harmful particles had been discovered in deep parts of the ocean. We all understand how much power explosives and bombs have, alright? But this has a different threat towards our planet. The atomic bomb test that had been performed during the years 1940 to 1960 definitely had their disadvantages. It was found that certain radioactive particles were detected in parts of the water bodies after the bomb test in deep parts of the ocean. Due to these harmful acts, it was found that there was an increase in the emission of carbon-14 on our planet. The words of the Smithsonian, the Test Ban Treaty of 1963 put a stop to most atmospheric and underwater tests, and carbon-14 levels in the atmosphere started a slow return to normal, though they're still higher than pre-nuclear levels. Number 7. Whales swallow 500,000 calories in one mouthful. Yep, you read correct. As per the Journal of Experimental Biology, the whales are estimated to eat around 460,000 calories. Thanks to their comparatively huge size, they're able to consume a large number of calories in just a single mouthful and are known for filtering out other parts of the ocean life and krill for the purpose of consumption using their baleen plates. Number 8. Giraffe tongues that are nearly 2 feet long. When it comes to giraffes, the main standing right up in our mind's visualization is for sure its long neck or distinctive height. But what's really interesting is that even its tongue is long when compared to an average animal tongue. While their heights reach up to almost 18 to 20 inches, their tongue also grows out pretty long, about 2 or about 60 cm. Apart from that, they have tongues that are generally bluish-purple in color. This is due to their high concentration of dark melanin in them. Number 9. Majority of people drown in deserts more than die of thirst. One of the most shocking facts about the desert is that more often people tend to drown in the desert rather than die of thirst or dehydration. How is that possible? It's common knowledge that deserts receive less precipitation and rainfall. However, when it does rain, it rains heavily. As much as heavy rainfall is of use in such a dry atmosphere, these deserts don't have water drainage systems to help manage the rain, and so this water gets quickly absorbed, resulting in other disasters like quicksand and sandstorms causing people to drown. Number 10. Adolf Hitler plotted to kill Winston Churchill with exploding chocolate. As cruel and untrue as it may seem, it's very much the truth about Adolf Hitler, and this is no surprise. One of the main things that the Nazis were known for is their cruel war tactics and methods of getting rid of people, but this is evil on another level. Back in the 1940s, Adolf Hitler had ordered his bomb makers to coat the explosives with a layer of dark chocolate and wrap it in a black and gold fancy paper so that they would be deceived. This explosive was to be kept in the dining room of Winston Churchill, where he regularly ate his meals. However, this plan did not work out and was detected much before it could have exploded, thankfully. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like our content, make sure to give us a good old thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the tiny bell icon to stay updated on all our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.